Hi, I'm Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. A uterine septum can significantly impact fertility. A uterine septum is a congenital anomaly of the uterus where a band of tissues, which is called the septum, divides the uterine cavity either partially or completely. This condition is a result of improper fusion of the Mullerian ducts during fetal development, which happens when the fetus is developing inside the uterus. So how does it affect fertility and what can it cause if a woman has uterine septum? We look at impaired implantation. The septum typically consists of fibrous tissue with a poor blood supply compared to the rest of the uterus lining, which is the endometrium. This lack of proper blood flow can prevent an embryo from implanting successfully on the septum. This lack of proper blood flow can prevent an embryo from implanting successfully on the septum, leading to implantation failure or early pregnancy loss. One of the most significant fertility concerns when there is a uterine septum is the increased risk of miscarriage. Studies have shown that women with a septate uterus have a much higher risk of recurrent miscarriages, as high as 60 to 80%, because embryos may implant on the fibrous tissues where they cannot receive sufficient blood and nutrients to develop properly. In some cases, a uterine septum can also increase the risk of preterm labor and other complications, which can occur anytime during pregnancy. The abnormal shape of the uterus can lead to reduced space for the growing fetus, which may cause premature labor or abnormal fetal positioning. While it is rare, there is an increased risk of ectopic pregnancy with a uterine septum, particularly when the septum is large or divides the uterus into two small cavities, creating an abnormal environment for embryo development. For women undergoing in vitro fertilization, a uterine septum can lead to recurrent implantation failure. Even if high quality embryos are transferred, the abnormal shape and poor blood supply to the septum can prevent successful implantation or lead to early miscarriages also. So how do we diagnose if there is a uterine septum? It's often diagnosed using image testing such as, so the first is hysterosalpingography, also called as HSG. It is an X-ray test that evaluates the shape of the uterine cavity and fallopian tubes, or via hysteroscopy, minimally invasive procedure where a thin lighted tube is inserted through the cervix to directly view the uterine cavity is hysteroscopy. Transvaginal ultrasound or 3D ultrasound. These ultrasounds can provide detailed images of the uterus and detect abnormalities like a septum. Then we also have magnetic resonance imaging called as MRI, which provides detailed images of uterine anomalies, and it is sometimes used to confirm the presence and extent of a uterine septum. How do we treat it? Hysteroscopic septum resection. This is the most common treatment for a uterine septum. It involves a minimally invasive surgery to remove the septum using a hysteroscope. The procedure is usually quick with a high success rate and can significantly improve fertility outcomes. After resection, most women experience improved implantation rates, reduced risk of miscarriage, and higher chance of carrying a pregnancy to term. So, what are the fertility outcomes after septum resection? Studies have shown that after the surgical removal of the septum, many women experienced improved fertility outcomes, including higher pregnancy rate, reduced risk of miscarriages, with the rates dropping from 60 to 80 to around 10 to 15 only, and it also increases the live birth rates. A uterine septum can have a profound impact on fertility, but with proper diagnosis and surgical correction, most women can experience significant improvement in fertility and have successful pregnancy outcomes. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.